So, I'm back at it again with another video. I got a vacuum on standby for this video because it's gonna get messy. Update, Caitlin, she's a little bit hurt because this is her wing feather. I clipped her wing so she couldn't do it again. Notice that red stuff, it's called blood, if you didn't know. She kind of impaled herself in the wing, and it got pretty bloody. Come on. Hey, Rocky. What you doing? And I want you to tell me in the comments below if I should start this new thing on my channel called Birds React. And it's more of a seeing what they do to like food being flinged around sometimes or stuff like that. So that's basically what it's going to be about. If just let me know in the comments below. So here's Rocky. He actually come to me with Caitlin. She thinks I did it to him. I didn't. Alright, so there's a lot of blood. How am I gonna do this? Here, hold it like this. Look at this. Yeah, it's pretty bad. I don't know if you saw that just now, but it's pretty bad. So I don't know what I'm gonna do. Anyway, so what we're gonna do today? Let's get some of their food. Versus fidget spinners, Birds React. Got our table all cleaned off for this. So what we're gonna do, take the food. Yeah, get a little pile of food. Boom. Now I got all my fidget spinners, right? Let's get this out of the way. I don't know what my fidget spinner choice is going to be today. I want one that's pretty close to the ground so it can whack it around a lot. I don't know. Either a choice between that one, or this one. Yeah, it's either a choice between these three. And just to make it fair, I'm going to mix it around. And whichever one Rocky jumps nearest to, wins. Hi, Rocky. Come here. Come on. Come on, buddy. Well, that's obvious. The one that was closest to him. I might whack it around a little. This one I wanted to use because, one, this thing's fast, it spins a long time, and it's hardly got anything. So, anyway, Birds React is going to start right now. I'm gonna get Caitlin here. Click your wings and Junior Chicken. Still fly.
Mr. Reed said that you knew something about the girl that disappeared.
Stay.
Can you tell me?
Got it. Alright, Birds React time.
Alright, AJ. Thanks a lot.
This is when I wish I had a stand. Come on, let's... Rocky.
Are you sure that you
Good, bro.
can't tell us anything about the girl?
Alright, Caitlin.
Where's my phone at? Oh.
No, Daisy, no. You don't have to protect Mr. Reed anymore.
Alright, Birds React. Here we go. The fidget spinner. I think the fidget spinner is pretty disappointed. Just kidding. How do you guys like that? Apparently they didn't like it. Are you camera shy? You better not be camera shy. Camera shy, buddy? Camera shy? How did you land right there? Alright. Oh my god, look at my dog. He's like, I'm gonna get that. I'm gonna go get that bird.
You got one on your back. Can you ever forgive me?
Yeah, anyway, that's the video for today. Just gonna have Rocky just spinning on my back.
Yeah, I think I can forgive you.
Anyway, it's
Take some time.
called cleanup time. Alright, say bye, Rocky.
Quite some time.
Noggin, give him a noggin. Give him a knuckles. Alright, get off the phone, quit screwing it up. Alright. See you later. Cleanup time now. What are you doing?
Ow. That's stupid, fan.
Now it's hissing at you. Anyway, yeah, it's called cleanup time. Cleanup time. Wait, hold on.
All afternoon.
The beginning of incredible financing at Ashley Home Store's Labor Day event. And 96 months no interest.
Wow, phone call.
Underneath my chair.
The sharks.